Air India crisis sources within the airline saying that there will be no compromise with pilots. More terminations will follow if more executive pilots join the strike, is what we're hearing from Air India. Let's go across to Jaguri joining us live. Jaguri, this standoff is only getting worse. More terminations, it looks like, will follow now.
Absolutely, Niranjan. The Air India management has hardened its stand. They have decided on a no-compromise policy as to the demands of the striking pilots of increase in wages. They have totally ruled that out. Now they are faced with this dual problem of, in the first place, putting some sort of discipline in the organization and also trying to tackle the situation, because the Air India is the national carrier and at this moment it is facing a lot of flack for causing so much of inconvenience to the passengers. So really they have already taken harsh steps. There is a contempt notice that has been issued against the striking pilots. Also they have said they have de-recognized the ICPA, that is the body or the union that is striking at this moment. They have de-recognized, and Air India sources have told Times Now that they are going to declare all actions taken by the ICPA as illegal. But as the day progresses, we are getting information that more executive pilots are slated to join in later today. The president of ICPA, A.S. Binder, is going to address a press conference. So really things seem to be going out of hand for the Air India management at this moment.